My name is Martin Kostal. I'm an application engineer for Loctite. My role is to get all these questions answered that Porsche has regarding adhesives with our global network with experts.
My name is James Lindsay and I'm the team manager of the TAG Heuer Porsche Formula E team. My role as team manager is to coordinate the team operations and overall responsible for sporting regulations. In our team, we are always striving for 100% reliability. That's why we choose Loctite as our partner. Throughout the development phase of the Gen 3 car, we've been working closely with Loctite, looking at all areas of the car, ensuring that we have met requirements on the construction side and also meeting the requirements of Loctite.
I'm Patrick Rauter. I'm the chief mechanic of the TAG Heuer Porsche Formula E team. We work with a wide range of Loctite products every day in our headquarters in Weissach and out there on the racetracks during testing and racing. And in the next episodes, we will showcase you how we use Loctite products in our daily work.